This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set Valet mode Tesla Model Y. Go to Controls, Safety and Security, then Valet mode and tap to begin setup. Choose a 4-digit PIN. You will remember and confirm it when prompted. Adjust the top speed limit and disable access to the front trunk and glove box if desired, then save settings to activate valet protections for your car. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and waking the touchscreen, then tap Controls and locate Safety and Security. Select Valet mode and follow prompts to enter a secure 4-digit PIN, which will be required to exit Valet mode. Use the sliders to set the maximum speed and restrict access to trunks or glove box. Once saved, the car will enforce those limits whenever Valet mode is active. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing charging cables, spare keys, or snacks when you hand over your car. They keep everything tidy and spill-free. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Keep your PIN memorable yet not easy to guess, and avoid common sequences like 1234 or 0000 for better security. If Valet mode doesn't activate, reboot the touchscreen by holding both scroll wheels, then retry the setup steps. Always test the restrictions with a short drive to confirm speed limits and access locks work as expected. If you lose the PIN, reach out to Tesla support for verified recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.